I'm Amelia, and today we're going to be making Disney character chocolate chip sprinkle cookies. You will need cookie mix, and then you will need melted butter, and then a tiny bit of water. First you have to put in the cookie mix carefully. And then you add the melted butter. And then you need a bit of water. And then we're going to mix it all up. When the doughs all stick together, you can start using your hands, and you can lick a bit if you're cheeky. You take a small handful and then you roll it into a little ball. And then you put it down on a tray. Make sure they're spread out, because in the oven they eventually get bigger. And we're going to put it in the oven for 12 minutes.
After?
10 minutes after taking them out the oven, we put them onto a cooling tray. In sugar, you add a little bit of water, and then you mix it a bit up. To make purple, you need a tiny bit of blue and a little bit of red. Then I'm going to I'm going to mix a little bit of red to make purple. Now we put a little bit of icing on each of the cookies. All that's left to do is decorate them with sprinkles. This is our finish of our Princess Star Sprinkles cookies. Thank you for watching.